Motors fam, this is 1999 Nissan Elgrand. It has 40,322 original miles. It is powered by the reliable VG33 3.3 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is a factory right-hand drive vehicle which features 2 doors alongside with 1 rear sliding door and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Also, they do go away. Alright, this vehicle does come in kilometers up here. And the number down here, 64,894. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 40,322. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Starting with the driver's side door. Hey Tech Motors family. Thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are at the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals as well. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all might have. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.